Volunteer policies and protocols. Policies and protocols are required to help guide and shape positive behavioral changes among the volunteers and residents of Chat. The first policy we incorporated is respect. A volunteer has to be respectful at all times. Some examples include not undermining the opinion and hard work ethic of others, not disclosing disrespectful or hurtful comments about others, and always be courteous and abstain from gossip. The culture of respect means to respect others, respect yourself, and respect the property. Some conduct guidelines is to always maintain a high standard of conduct with staff, volunteers, and the people being served. Implementing conduct guidelines ensures safety and well-being among volunteers and residents. Do not participate in smoking, drinking, or substance use of any kind. This includes cigarettes, e-cigarettes, marijuana, or any illegal substance. We also incorporated a list of unacceptable behaviors, such as negligence or careless actions, possessions or consumption of alcoholic beverages, participating in criminal conducts or engaging in any kind of physical violence, possession of any firearm, weapon, or explosive, threatening, intimidating, or coercing residents or fellow volunteers on or off premises, immoral or indecent conduct, such as theft or gossip. Substance abuse. All illegal use of controlled substances inside the premises are prohibited. Tenants and volunteers should avoid such behaviors to remain a drug-free environment and maintain safe and healthy relations in the workplace. Any involvement with mood-altering substance can have an impact on our nonprofit's ability to achieve its objectives and goals. Absence and tardiness. Failure to show up or arrive late without contacting your volunteer coordinator will set back job expectations. If you are unable to show up, or if you arrive late, make sure to contact your coordinator immediately. This will allow the coordinator to have a replacement while you are absent in a timely manner. Excessive absences will result in termination. Confidentiality guidelines. Confidentiality enables trust. Discussing problems in an unprofessional setting, such as outside the workplace, is an example of violation of confidentiality. Removing or making copies of any confidential information without prior approval is prohibited. Some examples of confidential information include records, reports, or documents. Any release of unauthorized information can result on dismissal from your service and could involve in legal actions. Record-keeping documentation. Both the manager and resident will be able to reference documents. Having good record-keeping of resident medical history promotes quality and continuous care. Chat members, volunteers, are able to help residents fill out medical or general applications with prior consent from the tenant. This allows those who may have a disability to rely on our chat members for support and assistance. Also, personal information should be kept confidential at all times unless you are given consent from the resident to use it. Good record keeping also enables trust with the residents. It also allows managers to have better communication. Also, files of residents will be highly secured from other people. So, examples of files include hospital patient files, criminal records, school records, and personal files. Both residents and volunteers have the right to confidentiality. Volunteers must use their best judgment of disclosing information to volunteer coordinator when the resident requires immediate help, for example, when the resident is a threat to themselves or others. Dress code. All volunteers must make sure to Dressed in comfortable clothing, but be prepared to do work.